Zontaar here. Just looking for some heavy construction equipment here to remove all the snow we've got, since we're up to our butts in it. We've been told that these guys here might have something we could use. Might have a Deltic powered excavator around back. We're looking forward to seeing that. We can just imagine how big it'd be. Anyway, got some complaints from the neighbors there about the tire smoke from us burning tires just trying to stay warm this bloody winter. We're already up to 3 times our normal tire capacity that we burn, so we're always on the lookout for more tires. Anyway, we'll catch you later.